Welcome to the new video. So we've all been there. A client calls, my computer is acting weird. You have to log in via TeamViewer or VPN. The user has to click accept and their work is interrupted. It's a slow, clunky process for both sides. What if you as the admin had a dashboard where you could see all client screen in real time without bothering the user? You could see instantly, is there a background process freezing the system? Is there unauthorized software open? Yeah. And I will show you a technical possibility on how to do that. But before we continue with the video, please, um, this video is technical advice. It is not legal advice. Before you use any of these things that I'm going to talk about here in this video, take legal advice. If you, in your country, for your purpose and your use case, are allowed to use this kind of software and under what circumstances. You might be allowed to do it if you inform employees and staff about the surveillance, about the software that you're using. Take legal advice. This is not legal advice here. Okay, that was that disclaimer. So if you use a software like Wolfeye that you can download here on wolfeye.co, Wolfeye gives IT providers X-ray vision for their clients' entire PC fleet. Yeah, in the next few minutes, I'll show you why this form of passive monitoring can cut your support ticket by up to 40% because you'll spot problems before the user even picks up the phone. Let's jump into the multi-client dashboard and I'll show you how it works. So Wolfeye.co is a small piece of software, and in the last videos I talked about it a lot, that if you're talking about employee monitoring software, you will have the possibility to choose from four possibilities. Possibility one is poor time tracking. Poor time tracking. It's tracked when the user starts the work and how much time he takes for which tasks. Um, um, the Number two are tools that allow you to do reports. You get a report, which website has been used for how long, which program has been used for how long. The report-based employee monitoring software. A third kind of tool is a forensic. These are tools, real deep spying tools that collect a lot of information. Yeah, they are very intrusive and collect a lot of data, private data. They could also keylog what the user types and could also read chat conversations and also read emails received and emails sent and everything. So very intrusive. That collects a lot of data. And then lastly, the fourth type of employee monitoring software is the type that I'm going to show you now, Wolfeye.co, which is poor live screen viewing. Wolfeye also allows to to enable screenshot history, but it's disabled by default. Excuse me. Mm, excuse me. It's disabled by default. By default, it is not enabled, so you only see the live screen. Live computer screen as you see it here. And how it works is the following. You install on your client's computers, you install a small piece of software. It's called Wolfeye. Very small piece of software. You install it and the user will get access to his dashboard. This is the dashboard. By the way, this is the demo dashboard. That's why you see here dummy pictures. But in reality, for each of the computer that you have installed Wolfeye Remote Screen, you will see the live screen for each of these computers. And live screen means, if you scroll down, it's a screenshot that is made and sent to the server so that it can be displayed here on this dashboard. And it's a screenshot that's updated every 2 to 3 seconds. So you see the live screen in real time with a delay of 2 to 3 seconds. So that's how it works. It's a real screenshot updated every 2 to 3 seconds. And because it's the screenshot updated every 2 to 3 seconds, the new screenshot that's updated replaces the old one. So no data is saved on the server. No screenshot history if you do not enable the screenshot history. No screenshots are saved to the server. No IP address, no data, no nothing. Nothing is saved to the server. And the transmission of the screenshot is with HTTPS. Yeah. So this is the dashboard. You will be able to log into it. I log out here. Excuse me. So this is a demo dashboard. That's why the password here is displayed. In your case, of course, you set your password and it will not be displayed, of course. You log into it and we'll see the live computer screens. So that's how it works, basically. Yeah. Okay, so I hope this helps. If you wanted to try it out and offer to your clients live screen viewing, because your clients they might be interested in being able to see the live screen of their employees. And if you offer that to them, you as an IT service provider will get special partner conditions. So schedule a Google Meet session. Click here, come to wolfeye.co, click the 14 days free trial, and schedule a live demo session with a Google Meet. Select your time zone, the day and time to make sure we both are available. And in that Google Meet, you can ask all the questions. I will do a demo by giving you access to my dashboard. You will see my live screen. Yeah. And also I will give you the download link so you can install it on one, two, or all of the computers. Typically you install it on a few computers so that you can test it for a few weeks. And, and I can even help you install the software. So I'm happy to hear from you. See you in the next video.